we need to talk about this beautiful wig. Let's jump into today's install, shall we? Because I didn't think I was gonna love this wig as much as I do, but baby, it's amazingly beautiful, stunning, gorgeous. You need it. It's gonna save your life. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Beauty Forever Hair. Girl, Beauty Forever literally means beauty forever, because this wig, you're gonna feel beautiful forever as long as you wear it and have it in your collection. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch. This is a 7x5, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, bye-bye knots with the drawstring. The texture is water wave and the color is espresso brown with blonde highlights.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me.
Hey friends, welcome back. So this is the beautiful wig that we're going to be installing today. She comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached with a drawstring. The lace is definitely looking like we need to tint her fresh out of the box. And of course, she's my favorite texture. We'll do a middle part, we'll do side part and half up. I'm just spraying like some lace tint on the lace area. If we need to add more, we can add more later. Okay, wow, it fits really nicely gluelessly, so I love that. So yeah, I'm gonna get some foundation. And do you see the difference? So that's what it would look like if I left my own baby hairs out, which I totally can do. That means the wig is gonna be worn further back. So it's like, what do I want more? Do I want my own edges, or you know, do I want less forehead space? I don't know, child. You gotta figure out your priorities, okay? And I think what's most important to me right now is not having such a big forehead. That's one of the great things about wearing wigs, is you can create the hairline that you want, the forehead that you want, you know? And I don't want a big forehead. Maybe tomorrow, maybe after I take this wig off, I don't know. But right now, I don't want a big forehead. Fresh out of the box, this is what she's giving.
Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table.
It's giving, it's ready to go. Wow, beautiful colorway. What else can you say besides another beautiful wig from Beauty Forever? Looks so realistic. Brighten it up a little bit.
Pulling all the sheet, baby, come eat. I like luxury.
Beautiful beginner friendly option. Wow, this color is just gorgeous. Like, ooh. Let's insert slow motion scene right now.
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant.
7 inches by 5 inches all the way back, and you can see you can part it a lot. You can part it pretty much anywhere. It gives like that frontal look without it being a frontal. I am loving this wig. I love how soft it is, and the curls are really pretty. I love how full it is. And you know, water wave always eats up, so you can't go wrong with a water wave wig. The curl pattern is just that, girl. This screams go on a vacation, or it just screams she's got money. That's what it's telling me. I don't know about you, but let me know in the comment section what style is your favorite. And of course, if you want to find this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. I'm obsessed. This type of color wave always looks so good on my skin tone, and I just eat it up, okay? So of course, yes, it's a 10.
You have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain. Because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to. Like you wanted to. Like 24/7. Like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to. Like you wanted to. Like 24/7. Like 24/24 heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies. A totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best of days. It could be the best of times. Why do we need the troubles? Why? Why do we need the troubles? Why? Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain.
Who am I? Who is she, baby? We need to go somewhere. Where are we going, friends? I wish I could say I would go get a drink somewhere, but I don't drink anymore. Mocktails all the time. Anytime you guys see me drinking anything, like a glass of wine, it's not wine, y'all. Or a nice drink that looks like it has booze in it. I quit that stuff. I quit it, okay? But look at this. Babes, get to it. We had to do some baby hairs or whatever. We didn't have to, but we felt like we needed to. We wanted to. Like, do you see that hairline?
Because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way?
Okay, so I think we need to do a little half up, half down before I spray it down. So I'm gonna do like the half up, half down style with the curls defined. So this is all like, you know, pre-defining the curls, which I love because I love me a fluffy wig, baby. But it's water wave, so of course we're gonna have to wet the hair, even though I don't think we need to. But yeah.
I'm thinking of haters. I'm thinking of laying down for a nap right here on the pavement. I'm thinking of payday, worried I won't make it. First I think of a delicate thing and then of a break. I'm thinking of habits, yeah.
In my spray bottle, I just have some conditioner water. I love this conditioner. I'm gonna put the conditioner on the screen here. This is the one that I use, and it smells so good. Just makes my hair so soft, and it smells like coconut. Like, don't you want your hair to smell like coconut, girl? I do. You could use mousse if you prefer. I just I like to keep my wigs feeling on the softer side. I find like mousse tends to, like, you know, make it feel crunchy. This mousse is really good for defining, holding, styling. You can even install your wig with it. It has a pretty strong hold. We're gonna finish off doing this and then, you know, let the wig dry and then come back once it's dry and settled.
Wish there was a sequel, might tell the good parts and I could have it. But mama says bad days are necessary. The only way to notice a good.
It is super versatile. You can do a lot of different styles. And babes, I'm so glad that I did wet the hair down because the curl texture did change a little bit Now, when I first took it out of the box, it was more of like a loose water wave style. You know, water wave needs water to wave up. So once you put that water, babes, it looks so good. It's so hydrated. The curl is beautiful. The highlights stunning. Like, when I tell you gorgeous, chef's kiss gorgeous. Now, we did do a little updo because I wanted to finish it off like that, and I'm so glad that I did because it looks so good. And the density, 220%, I believe it is. And girls, get into it. It is so full, so pretty. Oh my gosh. What do I always say when I love a wig? Yes, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. Like, how could you not be? It gets a 10 out of 10. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm going to link it in the description box for you. So don't forget to check that out before you go. It's amazing. You're going to love it. It's just so full, so beautiful, so pretty. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye. Yo, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. If you made it this far into the video, comment which style is your favorite, and comment style 1, 2, or 3, and I'm gonna be picking someone from the comment section.